Here are 3 budgeting methods that every broke 20-year-old should know. First, 50-30-20 rule. This method divides you after-tax income into 3 categories: 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings and debt repayment. Needs include essential expenses. Wants are non-essential spending, and the 20% allocated to savings and debt repayment is crucial for building an emergency fund and tackling any existing debt. Number 2, the envelope system. This method involves allocating cash to separate envelopes for different spending categories. For example, you might have envelopes for groceries, gas, entertainment, and savings. The envelope system is particularly effective for those who struggle with impulse purchases and prefer a visual, hands-on budgeting method. Number 3, zero-based budgeting. This method assigns every dollar of your income to a specific purpose. You start with your total income and allocate it to all expenses, ensuring that income minus expenses equals 0. Zero-based budgeting is ideal for those who want precise control over their finances and are willing to invest time in tracking every expense.